guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious spicy chicken tacos. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of chicken breast, your choice of cheese, 2 cans of El Pato hot tomato sauce, a half of a red onion cut into strips, 4 jalapeno peppers cut into strips, chopped cilantro, a half a cup of crema mexicana, 3 avocados, 1 lime, corn tortillas, 3 minced garlic cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt, and black pepper. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by cleaning out our chicken and we're also going to pat it dry. Alright, so once our chicken is dry, now we're going to sprinkle some salt. And black pepper. Make sure you add a good amount. Alrighty, and we're also going to do the same to the other side. Alright, so once we have our chicken ready, now we're ready to begin cooking. Alright, so we're going to grab a medium-sized frying pan and we're going to set it on high heat. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. And we're just going to wait for our oil to heat up. Alright, so once our oil is hot, we're going to place our chicken. And we're going to cook each side for 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, so after 3 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken over. And we're going to cook the side for another 3 to 4 minutes. Alright guys, so after 3 minutes, we're going to remove the chicken from the oil. And now we're going to throw in our onion and jalapeno. And we're going to cook them for about 2 minutes. Alright, so after 2 minutes, we're going to add our minced garlic. Cook it for about 30 seconds. Alright, so at this point, we're going to reduce the heat to low. And now we're going to add our tomato sauce. And I'm going to add some water along with our spices. Mix it. Alright, so now we're going to return our chicken back into our sauce. Just cover it with the sauce. Add the juices. And now we're just going to sprinkle some cilantro. We're going to cover it and let that cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright guys, so after 15 minutes, our chicken should be fully cooked. You can check it. So now we're going to remove it from the sauce. We're going to cover it with foil. And we're just going to allow it to cool down for a little bit before we begin to shred it. And as for the sauce, I'm going to remove some of the sauce because that's what we're going to use to drizzle our tacos once they're ready. So just remove some of the sauce, not all of it, because you still want to put the chicken back into the sauce with the onion and jalapenos. So we're just going to wait for our chicken and then we can return it back in. Alright guys, so while we wait for our chicken to cool down, we're going to make our avocado sauce. So we're just going to transfer our avocados into a large bowl. We're going to add half a lemon. We're going to add a little bit of salt and black pepper. And now we're just going to smash them. Alright, so now we're just going to mix in our half a cup of crema mexicana and just mix it with your avocado. Sprinkle some cilantro and just mix it. Alright, so just try it for salt and see if it needs any. If it does, go ahead and add it. For me, it's perfect, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. Place it in the refrigerator until we're ready to use it on our tacos. Alright, so now we're just going to shred our chicken. Alright guys, so once our chicken is nice and shredded, now we are ready to return it to our sauce. Okay, so transfer your chicken. Alright, so we're going to add half a lime. Okay, so now we're going to mix it all together. And at this point, you want to try your chicken for salt. If it needs any, go ahead and add it. For me, it's perfect. So we're going to leave it as it is. Okay, so once we have that, now we are ready to make our delicious tacos. Alright guys, so now to make our tacos, we're going to grab our frying pan. We're going to set it on medium heat, and we're going to add a little bit of oil. Alright guys, so once our oil is ready, we're going to throw in the tortilla. We're going to leave it in there until it begins to get hard. Alright, so once you see it blister, flip it over. And now we're going to fold it in half. And now we're just going to make our taco shell. So leave it in the oil until both sides are nice and golden. Alright guys, so once our tacos are nice and golden, we're going to remove them from the oil. Drain as much oil. So just remove your taco. And just repeat the same process until you're all done. Alright guys, so once we have our taco shells, now we are ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, making our tacos. So first we're going to start by grabbing some of our avocado sauce. Just add a little bit to your shell. Okay. Now I'm going to add some lettuce. Some cheese. Our delicious chicken filling. And our salsa. Okay, and now we are ready to enjoy our delicious spicy chicken tacos. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I am so ready. Let me tell you that this chicken is super delicious, and of course if you don't want to make it spicy, just use tomato sauce, but hope you give this one a try. Enjoy. Seriously, the best. The chicken, the sauce, everything. It's perfect. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious spicy chicken tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.